Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Next lesson, lesson 9.1, Kaherva towel, a new towel. Now this towel is usually Prabhupada towel is considered like a slow medium rhythm. Slow sometimes is played kind of at a medium pace, like this one. So this one, Kaherva towel, is probably considered a medium pace. Prabhupada towel is generally considered slow, even though it can play at medium pace. But this towel is considered medium pace, and usually after Prabhupada towel, when the kirtan singer speeds it up, it usually goes to this towel, but not always. So an entire cycle of Prabhupada towel is generally takes 8 counts. Like entire cycle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Then you start it over again, so it's 8. But so Kaherva towel, even though it's like an 8 beat or 8 rhythm, is half. The cycle is half of Prabhupada towel. Like here's the take I'll be showing today. Dage nati daka dinna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then it starts all over again. So you could say that it's half a cycle of Prabhupada towel. So the mantra, as I just said, is Dage nati naka dinna. Dage nati naka dinna. Dage nati naka dinna. So usually when I learn new towels, I try to break them off in sections. And usually I like to say them out loud while I play each section. So this is how I learn Kaherva towel faster, is that I break it off in sections. So the first section or part is Dage. So da is ta and ge at the same time. Da. Dage. Dage. So, Dage. Usually when I say Dage, then I'll just say the whole mantra, but only just playing the first part of the section. So, Dage nati naka dinna. 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 And so then I'll go on to the next part. So the next part, this breaks up in 3 parts. The first part is Dage. The second part is Nati na. So after Dage, the next part is Nati na. Nati na. Nati na. Nati na. Nati na. Nati na. Of course, you can't be accurate all the time, so you may miss the edge, which is na, the kinar. You hit on the kinar, so it doesn't. You have to be super accurate. It's impossible to be accurate. But that's the ideal. So the first part is Dage, then it's Nati na. So Dage nati naka dinna. 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 So now the next part, the last part is ka dinna. Ka din. Din is T plus ge. So ka din na. 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 So it's Dage nati na ka din na. Dage nati na ka din na. Now I'll do it from the side, and this is the take that I learned from my teacher. Da ge na ti na ka din na, da ge na ti na ka din na, da ge na ti na ka din na, da ge ti na ka din na, da ge na ti na ka din na, da ge na ti na ka din na. So now I'll do it with the melody. Hold on, one point that I mentioned, you know how, so Prabhupada Tal, usually you have to give enough time for the kirtan singer to sing. Like we started on 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one, you just have to learn when to play, you know, when it's on rhythm, which is called the sound. You could look at KKSongs.org for more elaboration on that. But usually with this one, it usually starts off 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 and da ge na ti na. You could do that, or you could do many things and make up many things once you get comfortable with the madanga. But that's a good starting point to when there's kirtan singer sings 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 capital T's, 4 and da ge na ti na ka din na da ge. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and da ge na ti na, so etc. So you'll eventually get used to it. Hare 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare etc. So I'll do it from this side.